Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the secrets on the new Style Showdown update. So obviously we get the Style Showdown set, but we also have this new item, which is the trench coat. There's this toggle and there's the shorter toggle as well. I wish they didn't make it like so tight on the body because it's see-through if you try to layer anything else underneath that. We also got this fur coat, super cute. Let me actually change my shirt to like a tighter fit. Okay. Like that. And then we also got these shoes. Super cute. And then this skirt too has two toggles if you want to add a waistband or not. There's also like the new toggles, so if you put these on and you want to wear shoes, let's use this one. As you can see, the heels will like go out of the shoe, but now there's a toggle to turn off the like foot and the like stockings ones. So if you turn off foot, as you can see, it is not see-through anymore. And you can put on like shoes and it doesn't have to like go through the shoe anymore, which I think is pretty neat. Finally they have that feature because I've been like struggling so much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.